What's going on, everybody? Down here at the Detroit River, baby. Woo! Heard they were catching them this morning. Got the temperatures at 40 degrees. Gonna slay some piggies today. Gonna slay some pigs today. Beautiful big river. Oh, it's so warm today. I feel so blessed. I feel so blessed to live so close to such an awesome river. Okay, I'm already set up here. Just got a basic old Canadian Tire jig head with black and gold. Water's pretty good. A little dirty, but it's manageable. So I'm gonna go ahead and cast. Check my drag as always. Okay, there should be huge walleye in here today. Like, I mean, this time of the year they're massive. Oh, I just rolled one. Been waiting for so long. April 3rd today. Just got a little bit of dirt or seaweed on there. Pull it off. I wonder how many people catch baby wipes in here. I always seem to be catching baby wipes. At least I think that's what they are. Don't flush them down the toilet. Throw them in the trash. On the bottom. zoom in.
Like, do you have to have a fishing license?
Yeah.
And you can fish any day?
Yeah.
Okay. There's so many boats out here on Sunday.
Yeah.
I don't see any on this side. It's all on that side.
You just need a license. It's like 23 bucks. Oh, I got a fish. Oh.
You got him?
Yeah. This is my first pickerel of the year. Yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah, probably. He might come off. I don't got a net. Yeah. You want to net me? I'm trying to lift him up, but I only got 10. I was gonna lift him, but I don't know if my line's gonna hold up.
Nice fish.
Thank you, man. Thank you very much. First walleye of the year, guys. Thank you so much, man. What's your name?
Steve.
Nice to meet you, Steve. All right. Get them in the gill plates. Pop it right out. Hey, buddy.
He's trying to catch us out. He has to see yours. Yeah. That's the people name?
Yeah, he's got like a, I don't know what that is.
Let's go try and catch
Yeah,
him.
he's a walleye.
Come on, let's go.
Gonna go throw this guy back. Ugh. Not sure what that was. Some kind of parasite, maybe.
Yeah.